Hey guys, it's Will, and I'm not riding today. I'm not making a motovlog because I've got a bit of a cold and it's raining outside. So I decided I'd show you exactly how I made my motovlog setup because it's cheap and beginner friendly. And to be honest, I just want to help anyone looking to get into motovlogging get out there and start filming, because that's the biggest thing to this, is you've just got to get out there and start making videos. And this stuff can be really confusing, so I decided I'd show you what my motovlog setup looks like and just help you guys out. Alright, let's get into the video. For my motovlog setup, I'm using the GoPro Hero 4 Black Edition paired with a Movo lavalier mic. This comes with the GoPro adapter, and it's only 14 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. I also got this little fluffy dead cat here, and this is gonna help reduce wind noise. All the links for everything you see in this video are gonna be in the description down below. I used a soldering iron to get the mic adapter to fit into the case that comes with the GoPro. This gives you a very clean look. Once you've got the case built, you just need to sneak the wire into your helmet. This depends on what helmet you have, but you typically can stick it behind the cheek pad and it just hides the excess wire without having to use tape. Next, I use a rubber band to secure the headphone jack so that it doesn't fly around in the wind. You're gonna wanna trim the dead cat before securing it to your microphone so that excess fluff doesn't get into your mouth while you're vlogging. Once you've got the microphone dead cat all cut up so that it's not getting in your mouth or anything, then you want to find the right placement for that mic and use a hot glue gun to just put a dab of glue and stick the mic down. It should be right next to your chin. That's where, at least for this helmet, that's where it sounds the best. So it should just be touching right up against your chin, so it doesn't have direct contact with your mouth. If you have direct contact with your mouth, the mic's gonna, whenever you yell a little bit or anything, it's gonna have a bit of that, like a mic pop, and it sounds really nasty. So you just really want to get it down so it's touching your chin, and make sure that the mic is facing up towards your mouth. That's the hardware side of this setup, and now I'm just gonna run through my settings with you guys. Jumping into the GoPro app, my resolution is 1080 Super View. This saves GoPro battery tremendously. My frames per second are set at 24. This is the most realistic. I've been asked why I don't use 60 frames per second. It doesn't have motion blur, so it feels super almost like a video game. My field of view is set to wide. This is the only option you have in Super View. And scrolling down, my megapixels are set to 12, just for the highest quality video. My white balance is set to 5,500 Kelvin. You can look on the GoPro website. They actually tell you exactly what K value to use on what kind of day. I'll leave a link down below. For GoPro color, I just use GoPro color. Some people like to use flat so that they can color grade better, but I like to get videos out fast. ISO max is set to 400 to avoid graininess, and my sharpness is set to low because if it's set to high, I feel like GoPro just over sharpens everything and it just looks kind of crappy to me. This motovlog setup only costs us $150 to make, so I hope you put one together yourself. And if this video helped you guys out, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.